Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install OpenAI Codex for your Windows laptop. So first you are going to open your browser, and then in the search bar you are going to type OpenAI Codex. Then you will find the first official website and make sure to use the official one. You just click here and then you will find yourself in this page, and as you can see here there is the button download for Windows. You just click here, and as you can see it is very fast. Then you just click here and you will find yourself in this page. As you can see, the download will start. You just wait till finish. Then as you can see, once the installation is done, the application will be opened automatically, and here you can just continue to use it as you want, either to continue with ChatGPT or to sign in with another way, and you just can use it, and you know the features of Codex, you can use it here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.